Hello, what is up guys? I am here playing some Happy Wheels, and I know that Macaulay hasn't played, hasn't really done any videos yet, because he hasn't got the software to like play the games, so I'm going to do rating. Actually, I think I'd start it off with one of my favourite things, which is WWE. See if there's anything for that. And at the moment, it doesn't look like it. Come on. Come on. He's doing dry search. Okay, let's try something else. The Nyan cat. Come on. I thought there was a few for Nyan cat. Come on. Yay. Okay, so let's try this. Oh my god! Oh my god. That was so look at the Nyan cat flying now. Nyan cat's flying! Yay. Nyan cat off cliff. Okay. Why are most of them wheelchair? Oh no, a cliff! Ah! He's trapped. Route 5 to save Nyan cat. Stupid. Good. Minecraft boss. I've seen this on YouTube. Press and hold spacebar to begin. Why? Oh god. Oh god. No, there's a dead body inside me. No. We don't want any dead bodies. Ah! I thought this was meant to be happy. At the moment it doesn't look happy. Ah! I bet inside me my body's just getting crushed. Oh god. Wow. Oh my god, tons of people. Tons of old people. Wow. Oh my god, will this level ever end? Oh my god. I think one of them's head is just coming to me. Wow. Yay, we finished Nyan cat. My original 9 cat. Let's be the pogo stick man. Let me just check how long. 5 minutes. Oh, cool! Sick! I think this is actually better than any other. Cool! Chill. Cool. This is awesome. Look at that! It's even left a massive rainbow. Wow. We left a rainbow. 9 cat, awesome. What? I'm going to beat you, 9 cat. Woohoo! I'm gonna high score. What? I beat it that quick. Okay. 9 cat ride. Press space first, then ride. Wow. This is awesome. Awesome. This is sickage. Wow. Yay, I got the coin. And then my body inside died. Cool. Let's ride 9 cat. I think we couldn't finish this. Wow, I'm not even controlling it. Actually, this is actually kind of better. It leaves the rainbow, and you don't have to control it. That's sick. How do people make these? Whoa, I crashed. I think I crashed. Yeah, I crashed. I don't think I'm going to make it to the end of the level. No, I can't make it to the end of the level. Nyan cat versus Tat cat. I will end. Who is better? Nyan cat. What? That was so easy. I wound it up with YouTube adventures. Dad, you said we could go play some Happy Wheels. Ugh! What? I don't get that. What? I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, great. Okay, I think we will end that here. Well, thank you for watching videos. I will be back with some more Happy Wheels very soon. Peace